Hi, I'm attorney Gregory Dell, and today's disability benefit tip is your retirement benefits can offset your monthly long-term disability insurance benefit. And Alex, this is a kind of a sad situation, and I'm really happy to put this tip out there for people because a lot of people get in a position where they're like, I've been waiting so long for this retirement benefit, I really need the extra money. But in fact, it may not be extra money. Can you explain why that could be the case?
Certainly. So every single group long-term disability insurance policy will contain a section in there called other income benefits. And what these other income benefits mean is that if whatever other income that you're receiving falls under this category in your policy, the insurance company gets to reduce the amount of money they have to pay you by the amount of money that you receive from this other source of income. And more often than not, people that are on claim getting long-term disability benefits are getting Social Security disability benefits for themselves and their dependents. And the great majority of policies, that's definitely an offset. So you know if you get Social Security, the insurance company is going to pay you less. But a lot of times people don't realize that there's more fine print in there, and some of the fine print includes if you receive retirement benefits. So let's just say you're getting long-term disability benefits, Social Security benefits, you say it's not enough, it's only replacing 60% of my income. Why don't I take some money out of my retirement account and live off that as well? But the problem is the insurance company might be able to reduce the amount of money that you get paid by them by the amount of money that you're getting from retirement. So you have to be very careful because for lack of a better word, you could be screwing yourself.
Right, and what I call that is just trading dollars. So if someone's getting, say, $5,000 a month after their Social Security, and then they say, I'm going to tell my employer to, say, a professor at a college, now I want to take my pension because I've been there for 25 years, and they start getting $2,000 a month. Well, now that $5,000 a month, the disability carrier is going to say that's a retirement benefit. It's going to be offset, so that $5,000 now is going to go to $3,000. So there was no reason for you to take that pension / retirement benefit because now your benefit got reduced by $2,000.
I mean, it's only benefiting the insurance company, that scenario, you know?
And a lot of times also I see the scenarios when people are kind of waiting for benefits to get approved or they've been denied and they're in limbo and they reach out and take retirement benefits. That is, you know, it's a survival situation that they're doing, but it's really bad because the money they're taking out is going to be offset against the benefit. So that's something that people should absolutely not do unless they have no other options whatsoever.
Correct. And if you are doing that already, if there's any way you could stop it, like stop it. If you're getting a monthly retirement benefit or a monthly pension, if there's any way you can contact those in charge, like, I don't want it anymore. Once your long-term disability gets approved, then you need to do that if you can.
Or put the money back in,
right,
possibly, and say, and within the same tax year and have no tax implications whatsoever towards that. So those are a couple of the strategies and tips about how to deal with retirement benefits. But the bottom line is that if you're considering taking retirement benefits or you have already, always remember this, it may offset your benefits. And we welcome people to call us and we'll walk them through that whole situation to let them know if it's going to be an offset or not.
And of course, there's always some caveats to this, like definitely the money that your employer has paid into your retirement account will definitely be an offset. Sometimes the money that you put in there yourself, your own dollars, might not be an offset. So there's some fine language in the policy that, you know, it's best for us to go through the policy with you before you make a decision about taking retirement benefits.
No matter what issue you're having with your long-term disability insurance claim or you just have questions about your claim, feel free to call Alex or myself or any of the lawyers on our team. No matter where you live in the country, we're available to assist you and help you with your claim. We always offer an initial free consultation, and simply by calling us or emailing us, you'll immediately get a return contact from one of our lawyers. We encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we're always putting out these free helpful videos, and we hope that the more educated you become from these videos, the better position you'll be in to keep your benefits being paid for as long as you need them. So if we can help you to protect your benefits, we welcome the opportunity to discuss your claim with you.